What's up, guys? So today I figured I'd do a little house renovation update. So first off, we will start in the guest room. The whole house is a mess, by the way. I haven't really straightened any of it up. I just kind of thought of this last minute. I was like, well, why not, So we are upstairs right now. Guest bedroom. I know, very, very messy. But that's not why we're here. Why we're here is to check out the stuff that we've done. So it's kind of blurry. We have painted all of this, including the ceiling. We have painted the upstairs. We did the trim up here, painted the walls, the windows. We still got to paint this carpet. I mean, not paint. We still got to replace this carpet, but we replaced this flooring. The whole house was pretty much covered in this gross, very old looking carpet. But we replaced our bedroom just this past weekend. So it's looking a lot better. Like I said again, don't mind the mess. Kind of just decided to do this right now. But painted the trim. Installed some barn doors. I love them, but I don't really like the double door. If I were to do this again, I would just get the single one so I could have a door here and then I could put a door there. Which, I mean, I still can, but whenever I do, you can kind of tell they don't look all that right. So, yeah, like I was saying, double doors, wouldn't do that again. I would get the mounts where they're both equal so that you can have a door here and a door there. And then I also completely redid the closet. So before, you see that one big rack on the top, we had a rack like that on this side, then another one down here, and another one down here, and it was just really kind of cluttered. And they had these little dividers, so it's really annoying to put your clothes because you can only move them so far every time. So I took all that down. I just put the one big piece on the top and then the other pieces up there to use as a little bit of storage. And then it actually turned out really nice because now it's kind of like a walk-in closet. And then I put another shelf there, right there. Again, like I said with the doors, if I were to do this again next time, probably separate them a little more, like put them higher so that my clothes doesn't touch each other. It's not so bad with mine, but you can really tell with my husband's because he's a lot bigger than me, so his clothes kind of overlap onto each other. But it's still a lot nicer because I put in this rack too, so you can actually slide your clothes back and forth. Like, it may not seem like a big deal, but if you go from having these things where you can't move your clothes at all and it's a pain in the butt to put your stuff away, to being able to slide your everything from one side to the other, like, you can really tell a difference. So moving on, this is the back side of my bedroom. We painted all the doors. Everything used to be like this really ugly yellow color. I don't know if you can tell. No, probably not. But yeah, the ceiling was yellow. Doors were yellow. They had like really rusty gold handles, so I replaced all the handles with black handles. And we still got to paint the trim and put cord around on the bottom. But yeah, and then the blinds, all the blinds were oversized before, so we actually had to cut everything to fit in the window, and it looks a lot better now. Because before, it's like all you saw was blinds, but now you can actually see some trim. And then here is the master bedroom, or the master bathroom. And in the master bathroom, gosh, this was like a shit show. We replaced the flooring, and unfortunately we're going to have to do a transition piece right here. But we also refinished the tub. The tub came out really nice. The tub was like extremely gross before. Before, it literally looked like, I don't even know, like brown. And it had these gross sliding doors in it. And the sliding doors were all moldy. Literally, you could see black mold all over the place. Like, it was the grossest thing I've ever seen. I didn't even want to take a shower in there. That's how bad it was. So yeah, we took those doors out. We ordered new sliding doors. They're a lot nicer looking. And then, I can kind of tell the old color. The ceiling was green. This whole room was green. So we replaced it with white paint. Still gotta do a second coat. You can kind of tell it's a little splotchy. And yeah, we're replacing that light as well. We're pretty much replacing everything in this house. But anyways, we painted the walls gray, the ceiling white. We refinished the tub. And then we bought this vanity. And this vanity is way too big. I did not measure it, so you know, words to the wise, measure everything a zillion times before you buy something. Because as you can see, it's right up on the toilet. So we're going to have to take this vanity back, or we're going to try and put it in the other bedroom or bathroom, but we're not sure yet. Anyways, yeah, so it would have looked so nice in here too, because I got black handles for it. Everything, I kind of like the theme, like white, gray, black. So, yeah, we're going to have to fix that. And then moving on to the hallway, still got to replace the flooring. We painted that white. That was brown before. And yeah, just painted the walls and whatnot. And this bathroom we had not touched. The other bathroom looked a lot similar to this one. It had the same gross flooring. This is literally cardboard. When I pulled it up, like, it was extremely thin. And we had the same old vanity and mirror in the other bathroom. So we're hoping we can fit that new vanity in here. We measured it out and it'll fit, but it'll end about here. So it'll still be a little bit tight on the toilet spot, but at least it'll be passing code and we won't be out like $900. So yeah, we gotta replace that. And then this is kind of the color of the other tub, except the other one was a lot dirtier and darker. So we're gonna refinish this one as well, but we're waiting for the shower doors for the other one first, because you know, we don't want to be stuck without a shower, because it takes a while to do this. It takes probably like 2-3 days just to refinish the tub, because there's a lot that goes into it, you know. Like, you got to you can't just refinish the tub. You have to like sand it down and then paint it, clean it, whatnot. And whenever you actually do the refinishing, you have to wait at least like 24 hours. So it says 24 hours, but I don't know. Every time I've ever looked it up, everyone says like wait 48 hours at least before you take an actual shower in there. So we're gonna do that. Anyways, here is the downstairs hallway. Yeah, so this flooring, there were so many different types of floorings in here. They had carpet upstairs, this flooring, they had tile in here, carpet in there, gray carpet in there, pink carpet in here and in there, and there's a whole nother story to that area, but we'll stick with right here for now. So we still got to replace that light, and we painted all of this. We repainted the trim. I'm not really a big fan of the trim, but it was already there and it'd be a lot of work to take it out, so we're just kind of leaving it. And this is the only bathroom that's like almost all the way done. We had the same matching vanities for everywhere, except this one's like a little single one. So we did the flooring and painted everything. This used to have wallpaper, and wallpaper is an absolute bitch to replace. It takes forever. So yeah, I put it in this thing. I don't really like where I put it. I don't know why I put it there. I think the old one used to be there, so I thought it should go, but it doesn't really match. But yeah, so this is the vanity. I gotta put that mirror back up, but because the old vanity had a medicine cabinet and this one doesn't, there's like this big hole, and it's like awkward. As you see, the nail is right there, and like if I wanted to make the mirror centered over the vanity, I'd have to put the nail literally in that crack, and I don't know if that's gonna hold. So I haven't done anything with that yet. And then the light, we still need more light bulbs. But yeah. So then there's this room. This, I don't even know what it is. The fireplace room? I don't know. There's everything in this house is just kind of a really weird layout. But all of this used to be brown, and I think the walls were green. So that was really ugly too. So I painted all of that white, and I think it looks a lot nicer white. Like, it just makes it feel, I don't know, just brighter and more homey instead of that dark brown. And same with the fireplace, all of that was brown. So I painted everything white, and I think it came out really nice. So yeah, we turned this into a baby room because we don't have space for all of this stuff. But we still need to replace this flooring. Everything's going to be that same flooring throughout the entire house. And then we've got this sunroom. And I actually really like this. The stinking dogs. It's too bright. I don't know how to adjust this yet. Anyways, if you can see it, barely, I know. This sunroom like has screen all over the place, and my dogs just ran straight through it. So there's holes in it, and we need to figure something out. And then we're gonna paint all of it white. This used to be brown. You can kind of tell we're still in the process of painting it. Only that back corner is actually done because we ran out of paint. So yeah, and then we installed these blinds. I think they look really nice. Definitely look a lot better than the ones we had. The ones we had were, I think, brown, like everything else in this house. Brown and missing parts, broken. So here we are in the kitchen. We still need to replace that fan. I don't know if I want to do a light or another fan like that. That one we replaced. So, yeah, I'm not sure yet. But a lot of people keep saying you shouldn't have two fans in the same room. And it kind of makes sense, but I already bought it, so I don't know. But here's the kitchen. I love it, the way it's coming out. I'm still not done. As you can see, I'm missing a door. When I painted the cabinet, I overpainted it a little bit, so it had some dribble marks. And I tried sanding it, and then I kind of like messed it up. So now it's been months, and I keep saying I'm going to finish it so then I can put the door up, but I haven't yet. So we're missing 2 doors that have been messed up. But it looks really nice. Like, I'll try and put a little screenshot of what the old one looked like right here. Yeah. So as you can see in the old picture, everything's brown, dark, ugly. And now with all this new furniture, or new appliances and the white, it just looks so much better. And then also this wall, there you can kind of see, yeah, you can see where the old wall used to be. We knocked down that wall. I don't know why they have so many walls in this house, but everything's separated. Like, this would be a really big, like if the kitchen was back there and this whole thing was just like a dining living room area, it'd be so much nicer. But there's a ton of walls that separates everything. So we busted down that wall. And yeah, as you can see, we can still need to patch that up. And then, yeah, now we got this nice big open kitchen dining room area. And we fixed all this up, painted it, made it look nice. And here's the living room. We wanted to take out this wall too. As you can see, this wall is separating us from the living room. But this one's structural, so it would cost us a ton of money. And we're trying to like flip this house, so I don't think it's really worth it. But yeah, our furniture is way too big for this house too, because the last house we lived in was it was a lot bigger. Well, like the living room area was a lot bigger, but the actual total square footage, I think it was like around the same. But yeah, so here is the living room. As you can see, put up a little bit of decorations. It's just so hard to find time though. But I love this rug and the way it's like looking right now. Besides the fact that our couches are just way too oversized for this room. But it's looking nice. A lot nicer than before. So yeah. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the fam. At Dave and Jax. Dave, Jax. And then there's Jax again. There's me and Jax. Jax is 10, almost 11 months old now. He turns 1 on September 11th, which is a whole nother story. Unfortunately, his birthday was September 11th. But yeah, so these are the doors. Have to put them up still, but I messed up the paint. This one actually isn't even that bad. I don't know why I didn't put it up. Oh, there it is. Yeah. You can see I tried to sand that off and then it just ripped all the paint. So I gotta fix that. And then I'll put that back up. So yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Keep you updated on lots more projects. I got a lot to do with this house, and my vlogs are gonna be kind of everywhere. Like my last videos, they're really bad, I know. They are extremely bad, but they were of painting that living room and dining room, and I think we did that literally like a year ago. This has been a very long process, but yeah, I got lots more videos of renovations. I'm missing a lot of clips. I know it's gonna suck to watch, but yeah, if you want to stay tuned, I'd really love to have you as an audience. And I'm probably going to throw in some workout videos too, because I'm really, it sounds whatever, but I'm really big into CrossFit. I love it. So I'm probably going to do that today, actually, make a little video. And yeah, thank you. Like, subscribe. I appreciate you tuning in. Thanks.